guys, and welcome to 3DFX channel. Today we have the GTI Club Sport tune in this box. We are going to unzip this box right now and see what's in the box. If you like the video, why do you not just like it? So the first thing we see in the box is a cap. Second off, we have this oil that we order. It's the mobile one. 1 liter of this, and another 1 liter right there. What do you know? 4 liters of mobile one oil. Something like this, perhaps. We have an air filter. And what do you know? We get a free pump from Mangevide, the channel in Sweden. That's very nice. I think he has something, some business with BSR. So if you're interested in getting this for free, you should probably check out Mangevide's channel. Just saying. So what else do we have? Well, we got some of these caps for the wheels. So for the air to plug the wheels, and these got the BSR logo. We got a few of the decals for the tune. They look something like this. Last but not least, we have the PPC3 tuning device, so you can tune and untune your car anytime you like to. I'm going to just open that one and see what's basically in the box. Here we are greeted by, let's see, a quick start guide from the, the PPC3 guide right there. And then what we have is some nice foam or something to protect what do we see? Here we have the PPC3 electronic device for tuning your car and getting it back to stock anytime you like. They are giving us 1 year tune warranty and 1 year machine warranty. So that's something that no other tuner that I've seen have actually. And it's not only for Sweden. These are big in many countries, so it's maybe possible that your country have them. So why don't you check it out? I mean, they even have offices in, I think it is in Japan actually. So I'm gonna call it a day, and I'm gonna try to install this tune, and we'll see, what kind of performance we get from it. So we're going to get about 100 horsepower increase, so it's a pretty big one, and 100 for torque as well. So this is going to be a big one. So around 360 horsepower for my GTI Club Sport. So that's a lot of power. Anyway, thank you for watching, and if you like, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe or share the video if you like it, and maybe I'll catch you again sometime. Thank you for today. Bye bye.